Alright, so step 1, go to Padlet.com. If you already have a Padlet account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to Padlet, you're going to click Sign Up, then go to Sign Up with Google, and then sign in with your ISD 282 account. And if you're making a Padlet account for the first time, it's going to ask you to select a membership, and you're going to just select the basic membership, which is free. The basic account allows you to have up to 3 different Padlet boards, but you're only going to need 1 for today. Alright, so then you're going to go up to Make a Padlet, and then here it offers you a variety of different templates that you can choose from. So I'm going to recommend that you use the shelf, which is right here. I'm going to recommend that you use the shelf because it allows you to organize really easily and make specific categories. But of course you're free to play around with the other different types of boards and choose a different one that you think would work. But for now I'm just going to show you how the shelf looks. So when you select a board, Padlet will automatically fill in some of the details randomly, like the background, the title, and the description. So it just randomly generates some things for you. So you should go ahead and change those things so that they best suit your board. There's lots of different options to choose from. So I'm going to go ahead and call this board Fiction Board. I'm going to choose a wallpaper. Nice. Okay, and then when I'm done making those changes, I'm going to click Next. Start posting. So now you'll be able to start making some shelves. Shelves will help you to organize the work that you've already made so far. So I'm going to make a shelf for the work that we did during week 1, which was world building. So world building includes your new planet free write and your fantasy map. So I would click the plus button, and I'm going to add the fantasy map first. And then I'm just going to add the date that we made that fantasy map so that I know this was an assignment that we did. And then I have the option to upload my map from my computer. I can attach a link if you have a link to it online, maybe something from Google Drive. You can also attach something that you search. So if you were looking for a picture of something from Google, you could search it here and attach some results. You can also just take a direct picture using your camera. And then there's a number of other options here as well. So there's lots of different ways that you can attach different content to your Padlet board. And then as you can see, you can continue adding shelves all across the horizontal space of your board. Okay, so this is my finished board. I've done some more customizing and I've added some more shelves. So now you can see that I have shelves that include world building and then nature, which is what we did last week. I have a separate shelf that I'm going to put all my free writes in. And then I added shelves that I know are going to be coming up in future weeks. So I know that this week we're going to be working on civilization, and then the week after that we're going to be working on character building, so I have those shelves set up and ready to go. You can add shelves any way that makes sense to you. This is the way that I like to organize it. You can organize it in whatever way works best for you, as long as you have some type of organizational system. Your assignment for this week is to create a Padlet that contains at least the assignments that we've worked on so far. So that should be 5 different assignments, which include the new planet free write. So that was the first thing we did, where we had a guided visualization and then you did a free write for 10 minutes. You have your fantasy map. You have your botanical chart, which was the plant creation. You have your animal design. And then you also had a free write from last week where you responded to a prompt. So your assignment this week is to create a Padlet that contains at least those 5 things, if not other things that you've created. If you're looking for a challenge, I would encourage you to add other things to your Padlet board. For example, under world building, I added a planet profile and some inspiration that I want to continue thinking about moving forward with my story. A Padlet board is a great way to house not only the work that you've done, but also things that inspire you. So it might be useful in the future when it comes time to write your story to be able to come back to your Padlet board for inspiration. This is going to be a great way to archive the work that you've done so far leading up to your story.